Today, we're thrilled to welcome Nikkiana Jones to the show. She's an adventurous truth seeker behind the YouTube channel and podcast Exploring the Fringe, where she dives deep into megalithic mysteries, ancient anomalies, consciousness expansion, and all things high strangeness.
From on-site explorations of enigmatic sites to thought-provoking discussions on lost civilizations and the fringes of history, Nikkiana brings curiosity, passion, and fresh perspectives that challenge the mainstream narrative.
So I'm a pretty big, I'm like an avid traveler, and I'm a flight attendant for my profession, and I went on a yoga trip to Peru, and we were going to like Sacsayhuaman, and well, actually we were going to like Machu Picchu and stuff like that, and doing yoga like at the sites, and I was like, yeah, but like these are really big stones. Like this is really, really weird. And I had heard of Machu Picchu before, but you just see like that overview site. I cried like a 2-year-old baby for like an hour straight because I like understood that we are not like the lie. Like it was a real visceral feeling. The Incas didn't have a wheel. They didn't use the wheel, and they have llamas, and they were only a civilization for 72 years.
It's like almost like a springboard for the average person to maybe start looking into something. So,
and I feel like a boop on my shoulder, and I look over, and there's a white horse with a horn. And so the three of us like stop, and we're looking at it, and it's just sitting down eating grass, and some, and then the other one's like, that horse has a horn, and I'm like, yeah, that horse definitely has a horn. And then so we're going like, huh? And then the other guy goes, that's I'm just gonna say it, that's a unicorn. And I'm like, it does appear to be a unicorn. And so we just sat there and watched a unicorn for about like, I don't know, 10 to 20 minutes, eat grass, slowly walk away for, So we saw it in person. It was a physical unicorn in person in the middle of the Amazon.
Like solid?
Like Jacqueline was talking about, being able to get into that state where you can just be. And what we're talking about here is flow state. And if you meditate, then you are very familiar with what flow state is. And that's where it's just, the sky's the limit. You're clear. It's almost like something's feeding you these thoughts.
At this point, if I had to put money on it, I would say we're in some kind of like timeline matrix war thing where I almost feel like there's a bleed through of other realms that is coming into our existence. Like, I don't think that it's as linear as we think, And I feel like something that builds these more cyclopean type, ginormous megalith, polygonal, weird shaped things thinks differently than we do. 2024. I went to sleep on July 31st, and then I woke up, and it was August 1st, 2023.
Shit.
And so I had to repeat the whole year.
Okay, tell me how you knew. Like, what was the trigger?